Meaning of impeachment.
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 Impeachment. Impeachment is a process in which an official, such as a president or governor, is charged with misconduct or abuse of power. The charges are brought by the legislative branch of government and can lead to the official's removal from office. In the United States, impeachment is a rare and serious event that requires a majority vote in the House of Representatives and a two-thirds vote in the Senate. If an official is impeached and convicted, they are immediately removed from office and may also be barred from holding public office in the future.